Well, hello, friends. That's right, it's Dillon, coming to you live from the Dillon compound today. Please excuse my voice. Day 2 of the damn sinus, syphilis, whatever the hell this is. But, it's just a matter of getting over it. As y'all know, if y'all keep up, I've been working on my drain on my kitchen sink for this goes the 4th week. And by God, I can't find a Lowe's or a Home Depot that can steer me in the right direction on how to put a damn drain together. I know what I need, but evidently they know more than I do. And they keep selling me the wrong shit. So finally I got fed up. I said, the hell with it. I'm going out of town. If I have to drive 30 miles one way, I'll do it. I'll go to some place that don't fucking hire damn homeless people off the street and say, here's your name tag, go to work. That don't have a clue what they're talking about. I know what I need. I tell them what I need. No, that ain't what you need. Right here's what you need. Here's a sack of shit. Go with that. I'm done. I'm done. Well, I loaded up today. Beautiful day, I might add. It's probably pretty close to 70 degrees out here. For January, it feels like about 80. I'm loving it. I'm loving every minute of it. But what I done, this is what I needed. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's what broke off. And that's what I needed. I needed a P-trap. Simple as shit. Simple as it gets. 390s. Female, female, male, female, male, female. Simple as it gets. But none of these damn big box stores could help me. So I was headed back to McMinnville, where I got my Miracle Wrench and all that other good shit. I thought, they'll have it. And I thought, you know what, man, it'd be awesome if they had one of them right here close to Hillsboro. I thought, holy shit, Manchester's got Dotson's Electric and plumbing. Why in the hell have I not thought of this? So I jumped the truck, run down there, and guess what? Perfect match! Look at that! Of course, that one's turned a little bit. I can turn it. There you go. How about that? Exactly what I need. Thank you, Dotson's Plumbing and Electric. Thank you very much. You're on my speed dial. You're first on the list from now on. Appreciate it. I'm gonna go in the house and fix my kitchen sink. Y'all have a fantastic day. Get out and enjoy the sun, baby. Woo!